The LG Magic Remote is the only remote you'll ever need. Actually, it's not just a remote, it's more like a magic wand, with plenty of tricks up its sleeve. Here are just a few. You point and click just like a mouse. This makes it fast and easy to sign into all of your favorite apps. And you have this click wheel that makes scrolling a cinch. Use it to get quick access to your favorite content in various ways. Press the home button to access the WebOS launcher, your portal to entertainment. You can also use your voice to launch apps or search for the content you're after. There are dedicated Netflix and Prime Video buttons. When the TV's off, just press and start watching instantly. And with quick access, you can even customize the number keys for one-touch access, so you can get to your favorite apps even faster. Use the built-in mic to give voice commands. You can do it all, like control your connected smart devices and access Google Assistant and Alexa, which come built in. You can even control most cable set-top boxes, Blu-ray players, or soundbars. And with auto device detection, setup is quick and easy. Show me the best action movie from last year? Oh, that was a good one. Don't mind me. I'll leave you to it.